Please somebody subscribe to my video. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. How is your day? Where are you watching me from? You guys have been so amazing. I really appreciate everybody. Every time I post, you guys like, at least somebody subscribe to my video. So welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome to the family. Today I have a lot of things to do. Right now I'm on my way to do food shopping. When I tell you I don't have nothing in my house, not even a toilet paper, because I have been so busy, guys. I don't even have nothing. So today we are going on a grocery haul. Then later I have a doctor's appointment, and also I'll see if I can do I have a couple of things that I have to do in the house. So guys, come along with me. My name is Esther. I appreciate you all. For those who have been watching me, you watch me, but all you need to do is just hit the subscribe button. I see you, all of you watching me. Those who just click and you click to watch the intro, I see you. Those who watch me to the end, I appreciate you. Those who watch and skip some of the videos, I love you as well. But all you need to do is just hit the subscribe button and like the video and share. Let's go shopping. So guys, I'm here at the Sam's Club. I come here a lot. If you watch my video, you know that I'm a Sam's Club girl. I love to shop here for my groceries because of my family size. So we are here. Guys, packing the grocery alone is work. Getting home and then packing and putting them away is work. It's a lot. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm on my way back home now. This morning it was very, very chilly. But now I feel like it's getting hot. I don't know, because I was packing the stuff. I'm getting hot now. But this weather, I don't know. This weather will not let us be. Today is 40 degrees. Tomorrow is 70 degrees. It's like on and off, on and off. It's crazy. Oh, come on. Go ahead. Yes. So, like I said, I'm heading home now and then do unpacking and then packing them away. Oh my God. I'm already tired. So I'm here waiting. I hate waiting at the doctor's office. I hate it. I'm waiting for the doctor. And I'll sit here and sit here. I don't like it.